Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your DOE employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in info hub, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as infohub.nyced.org. In my case, it's the first one. Now, to log into your DOE employee account, simply tap on the employee sign-in button, which is on the top right of your screen. Now, to log into your account, you need to provide your login credentials. So type your user ID or your email in the text field given for your user ID. Then type your password in the text field given for your password. If you have forgotten your password or your username, you can reset it by tapping on this text password and profile management. Now, to log into your account, simply tap on the sign in button after you're done providing your login credentials, and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.